Hi, this is Chinmayi and today it's the second part of the Innisfree haul video, and today I'm going to be trying on the Jeju Volcanic Blackhead 3-step program 1, 2 and 3. Let me take you right in. Hi, this is Chinmayi and today going to be polyglutamic acid is a now what is polyglutamic acid? And the last was okay, so the first step is after cleansing, take out the pore opening sheet and apply it over your nose. Slowly remove the sheet after 15-20 minutes and gently wipe off the sebum that has come out of the pores. So let's try with step 1. So you don't have to worry, at least the Innisfree has the English translation of all of this stuff. Okay, so this is a cotton pad, so I'm just going to be placing it onto my nose. This is the first step. I've applied it and it doesn't smell like anything. Maybe a little bit of castor oil, maybe, yeah. So let me see if it actually contains castor oil. Step 1 does not contain castor oil. So they have listed the ingredients for step 1, 2 and 3 because there are 3 separate these nose sheets, if I can even say that. So this is going to be on my nose for about 15 minutes and I'll see you right after 15 minutes. Now that it's time to remove this first step and it's kind of dried up, it says just wipe it up a little bit, there is not much to wipe. Now it's time for step 2 and this is the typical blackhead removing pads that we are all pretty familiar with already. So I need to wet my nose a little bit. So I am just wetting this portion, peeling the strip of the cellophane paper and placing the sticky black part. So this is the sticky black part onto my nose and this shall stay on. Oh, this feels a little slightly warm. Okay. So this shall stay on for about 10 to 15 minutes until the sheet dries completely. So I'll see you in 10 to 15. Okay, so now I'm going to be removing this patch. It is pretty dry and it actually feels pretty stiff as well. Carefully peeling it. The white heads are gone. There are a couple of black heads left at the tip of my nose, which I will anyway remove with my BHA. I have not done my BHA routine for a while. And after this, I am going in with the step 3, which is the pore tightening mask. Okay. And this one has a lot of essence. Okay. Let me see. And this has plastic film on one end and a gauze like stuff on the other. Okay. So once this is done, they are asking us to pat the rest of the essence here. So I think there is enough essence in this to actually pat for the rest of my face as well. So I'm going to go do that and I'm going to leave you here. I think overall I kind of liked it, but I don't know if it reaches out to the tip of your nose or the underside of your nose, where this portion, right, just below the tip, or at least the sides of my nose, where that might be a problem issue for the patch, that peel off patch to actually reach. And that way I don't think I'm like completely satisfied with that sort of a thing, but this is what I think. I'm not going to go and buy this all over again because I generally use the Cosrx BHA. I use a beta hydroxy acid to generally clean up this area, the T-zone of my face, so that the blackheads and whiteheads are permanently kept at bay. So that is that. I had not done it for at least about 15 days so that I could try something like this. This has been in my mind for a while. So that's that. Until I see you in my next video, this is Chinmayi saying bye.